Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe with us. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, we got some resistance coming in. Top of our zone going to be right here between these 67 to 68 areas, 3760. Yeah, 3767 to about 68. We can see it right over here. And then above that, 3787 is the next area of interest on the top side. Now, we did have a little bit of this resistance, a little bit lower, 3719, but we ended up rejecting it here, falling back down, getting a higher low, and trying to push and continue back to the upside. So we are going to see if the market can actually gradually climb right into these 67s, and then from there we might get a nice rejection here, maybe a double top, and then pushing us right back down into our support levels. Another zone above 38.38 to about 39.17 as a wider zone of resistance. Moving over into the hourly chart, let's pull this up here for a second. So hourly chart, we can see same areas of resistance we have kind of marked off that zone there. We had support coming in right at this green zone here, right around these what is this, 35, right around these 35.45s to about 36.10.75. Let me see if I can widen this here, make sure I get this better. Okay, so 35.89.50 to about 36.18.75. That's going to be our zone of support there on this hourly chart. And again, trying to gradually climb into these 64 to 67s, get a nice double top, and maybe push right back down. If you are long, try for that. And then above that, 37.87 is the next area of support there, so keep an eye out for that as well. Again, zone above 38.38 to about 39.17.75. Zooming in a little bit closer, coming into this 15-minute chart, you can see we did have the market move up, and then we started to curl down a little bit, found that support, and now we're trying to extend to the upside. So again, we are looking for this to continue the extension here on up into these 67s. That's our measured move that we're looking for. Did have a little bit of resistance right around those 40s, but we kind of broke above that, so do want to see this continue up a little bit higher. May end up pulling back, we never know, could pull back into this area and then get a nice continuation to the upside. So we're always looking out for that as well as we are trading. But in this smaller chart, 36.90 to about 98, little bit of a zone of support, and then below that 36.68 to about 36.76. That's our next areas of support as well. So looking for these bounces and continuation into our resistance levels up above, and then from there maybe get a nice short opportunity. Let's take a look at a smaller chart on S&P 500. You can see rotational movement here on this A-tick, so we may end up getting it up a little bit higher, and then trying to push it up. So right now, no real entry. You can see maybe if it pulls back here and you get a nice bounce here, that could be a nice upside entry, or maybe even down below over here at these 36s. But we'll see. As of right now, don't want to enter because you're right at the top. It's better you see this thing pull back a little bit and then get a long entry. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500. Again, if you guys do like the videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. And if you are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe with us. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. If you guys are going to trade, make sure you trade with discipline and patience. You guys take care. Have a great night.